welcome to All About. Today we're going to talk about RV11. The RV means red violet, and you have to be careful when you underpaint it because you could underpaint with any blues, but you have to be careful because RV already is a combination of ink, the red and the violet. So you can either do the blue, very light, or you can go to the violets. This time I'm going with the blues, but I am combining for the bonus combination with the BV family. We're gonna have three families technically: the red, the blue, and the violet together. It will give you a very soft, spring color. I'm Elena with VioletaInk.com, and we are a retailer of Copic ink, the refills, sketch markers, nibs, swatch cards. I always have a hard time remembering that. And also Prismacolor pencils. Thank you. We are starting with RV11. On top of it is going to be RV10 and RV000. Now, usually I speed this up, but I want you to see when we go to the underpainting part with B60, how my RV11 is dragging. So let's see here. We're gonna start with B60. So now let's see RV11. You can see right there. You see the vent on the top of it? It's too much, and I'm not pressing a lot. If I was pressing a lot, if I was using RV11 as my last marker, I would be pressing and I would be seeing that it needs to be replaced. So I am replacing that one soon. I just wanted you to see that. Anyway, that was B60, RV11, RV10, and RV000. For the bonus combination, we are using RV11. Again, it's dragging. And it's just not distributing the ink evenly. I think that if I had noticed that moment, I would have changed it, but I didn't. That's what happens when you don't use your glasses. Anyway, we are doing a back blend. I started with BV00 and then BV000 in the middle. That is what is going to be touching RV11. Now I felt that I needed a little bit more color in the beginning, RV11, just to help the blend. So it has a lot more ink in the middle. This is BV000. This is our Prismacolor pencil match. RV11, I found two. One that is going to be more on the cool tone and one on the warm tone. So the first one is PC 1018, Pink Rose. I like it. I think it's too warm. And you have to go a lot on it. You have to, put a lot of layers. PC 1018 has a lot of white. So you're going to start getting some of the wax buildup, as you can see right here. So you're going to see, it depends on what kind of paper you're using, but it might get too much wax, too much the ink, the little dots that you see there. Now, Deco Pink does not have as much white, which is PC 1014. I like this one better. I think this is cooler, but it goes well with it. I think the red and violet combination is a cool combination. Cooler than, the warm red. It does move when you're using the colorless blender, but you can see like right around where I use the colorless blender, there's a ring, like a bathtub ring, and I just don't like that. This is RV11. I am trying not to move the paper, just so I don't make you dizzy. But that means that I am coloring upside down. So that's why you see that it's so slow. This is RV10. Now, and these are gonna blend beautifully because they're so close to each other. RV11, RV10, and then RV000, they're just perfect. It's a very soft pink. This is not underpainted. Remember, we're gonna underpaint the wings on the bottom. We're underpainting with B60. Wherever you see that something is on top of something else, the part where it touches, that's where you're gonna underpaint, because that's where you would have some shade, some shadow. RV11 being the first marker in our combination, has to go over B60. You cannot have any B60 showing once you finish with RV11. Why? Because RV10 would need some other marker to be underpainted with. B60 might be too strong for it. And then you're gonna see all the flicks. This is the bonus combination, and it's RV11. I should be coloring better because it's the other side, but nah. So this is BV00, and we're starting from the edge, and then we're going to blend it with BV000. These two blend beautifully. I mean, these three, they blend beautifully, and you can see both colors very, very well. You can see the soft purple and the soft pink. And again, if you want to add more pink, you can. And now we're going to underpaint with B60. This is the fastest that we're going to go. This is a little bit less fast, RV11. We're going to start at the corner with BV00, and we're going to end this blend with BV000. Don't forget to subscribe. Just subscribe now. And we're finishing this blend. I like this combination better. Well, I like both. I can choose between the two of them. Let me know which one is your favorite. So this is all about RV11. The natural family combination is RV11, RV10, and RV000. Underpainting is with B60. The bonus combination is RV11, BV000, and BV00. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next week. Bye.